Fresh off my Makati vlog, I took another spontaneous break. This time, Baguio to La Union and back again. A small trip full of soft, quiet moments with my closest friend, Chen. Let's begin. I arrived in Baguio around 2 p.m. and met up with my longtime friend, Chen. We grabbed a late lunch at Chili's. I got grilled salmon and their house-side salad. It's been a long time since I've been in Baguio. I actually filmed one of my first vlogs here about 4 years ago. After that, we just walked around SM and passed by Kumori. I've been wanting to try their cheesecake for the longest time, so I was really happy to finally get some. The Hanjuku New Year cheesecake easily became my favorite. For dinner, we headed to the Chef at Baguio Country Club. Their circus-themed Christmas decorations made the whole place feel so warm and magical. Super festive and cozy, but still very elegant. The four-course meal was amazing too. Every dish felt thoughtful and well-balanced. And by the third course, Chen and I were already full. I tried Chen's lamb too, but it wasn't for me. Overall, it's such a great spot if you want a special night out. It is highly cold. After dinner, we walked all the way to the gate because taxis are almost impossible to get at night there. But the walk turned out to be so nice. Cold pine air, quiet roads, Christmas lights, definitely a core memory moment. The next morning, we left Baguio and took the bus to La Union. Fare was around 185 pesos. The entire ride was curves and zigzags, and by the end of it, I literally felt like throwing up. But the moment we reached San Fernando, it felt like we'd switched seasons, from cold pine air to full-on beach heat in just 2 hours. We took a tricycle from the bus stop over to San Juan and checked into Flotsam and Jetsam. Flotsam and Jetsam was really good for the price. The room was super clean, the bathroom was surprisingly nice, and we even had a sea view. For late lunch, we just ate at their restaurant bar and chilled by the shore. We even saw people paragliding, which looks so fun but also scary. On the hunt for water. We didn't know where to eat that night, so we walked around and saw wingers. I got their garlic parmesan wings, but they weren't my favorite. It was kind of bitter, probably because of too much garlic, but if you're after a nice highway view at Elyu, this spot delivers. After eating, I wanted matcha, but the cafe we went to only had coffee, so we ended up at Elyu for their famous horchata. Hello! We're here in Flotsam and Jetsam serene room. So, I don't know if you can hear it, pero sa labas, rinig na rinig yung tugtog. Flotsam and Jetsam is a party hostel, so the music carries into the rooms. We didn't join the party that night because we were exhausted, so if you prefer a quiet place, just keep that in mind. For the next day, it's the beach day finally, so we got ready and walked to Kabsat for breakfast. It's just a few steps away from Flotsam and Jetsam, and we highly recommend going to their second floor. You get the best view of the ocean while eating. For me, I got some bacon silog while people watching and enjoying the sunny day. At Clean Beach, we tried their breakfast cafe latte. It has a really interesting concept. We also got kaya toast, but it's a bit different from the SG style one I've tried. For late lunch, we went to Miryinda. This place is so colorful and aesthetic, but we waited almost an hour. We ordered their bestseller Bagnet Kare-Kare. It was really good and worth the try if you have the patience. I also tried the super cute hole-in-the-wall cafe right beside Flotsam, where you choose cards with your drink, hand it through the window, and they make it. Their matcha was actually so good and creamy, and the cup was high quality. Then it was sunset time, and oh my god, it was golden and so pretty. Chen took a bunch of photos of me, and we also swam, but I didn't vlog that because we just wanted to enjoy the moment. So nakababa na kami kanina. Bumaba na kami sa bar, pero kakain kami. Life hacks. Para hindi na kami bumili doon kasi doon na naman galing to eh. Oh, sige na. And finally, we partied. Just me and Chen tucked in a corner dancing and people watching. It was super chill and super fun, one of the highlights for sure. For our last day, we had breakfast at Little Canggu, a Balinese-inspired cafe that's honestly so underrated. It's quiet, peaceful, and has a beautiful view of the sea. I ordered the nasi goreng, really good, but the serving is huge for one person. My favorite though was the iced latte nitro. And after a bit of souvenir shopping, it was time to head back to Baguio. Same bus, same zigzag route, still not my favorite ride. When we arrived, we grabbed lunch at SM. The Caesar salad at John Wright was really good, and the wonton soup was warm and hearty. And that's the vlog. This trip was so needed. I got to relax, spend time with my friend of more than a decade, and just enjoy both the beach and Baguio. Thanks for watching, and if you're planning a trip to La Union or Baguio, I hope this gives you some ideas. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you in my next vlog. Bye!